This is the swim tennis amenities area for 435 Guild Hall in Alpharetta. And coming around, that is the pool area right in there. And as you can see, the clubhouse is really nice. Has a deck on it. We've got bathrooms for tennis courts. And the community is called Chartwell. Beautiful tennis court facility, as you can see. And we've got several courts. And that's the package.